Be a quick indoor flight with the Propel Atom here. It's kind of nasty outside, so these nanos are good for indoors. And as you guys know that have been following the channel for a while, the Propel Atom is my favorite. So let's change our rates here, and I believe it's, what is the rate button? Do I have to get it in the air and then push down on it a little? Yeah, 2 beeps there. So this is the second rate. Oh, get a handle on the throttle. So really like the Propel Atom. It's a very smooth flyer. Used to flying whoops inside these days, but this guy flies nice. So not super concerned about flying this one inside. Just shot my review, some of my review footage of the LT shooter drone. That's why Mr. Stormtrooper is still out here. Figured I was gonna clean him up, and then I figured let's just leave him in the video. Let's leave the Stormtrooper in the video. We're not gonna avoid any Imperial entanglements in this video because we got Mr. Stormtrooper. So that's the second rate. Let's go to the third rate here. A little bit quicker on the third rate there, huh? Let me come over here. I don't know what we're seeing with you guys looking in the window like that. So here's your funnel on the third rate. Not too bad for a nano, you know? Manageable, not extreme. And it flies pretty nice. It's making kind of like a strange noise. I don't remember if it did that or what, but maybe it's some sort of prop issue. Let's see if we can get some flips in before we hit LVC. So that flips nice. Let me come over here just to show you guys. Flip, another flip. I guess technically those are rolls, right? So let's do a back flip and front flip. Boom. Let's try and orbit the Stormtrooper here a little bit. A little bit tough to do a line of sight, you know? You're not looking at a camera or anything like that. Anyway, that's enough of that. But yeah, I believe they have a newer version of something. I don't know if it's like a updated version. I don't think they're calling it the Atom. I'm not sure exactly what they're calling it. It looks very similar to this. I definitely want to check that out. Trying to get a good deal on it from Toys R Us or something like that. Toys R Us is closing. Whoa. So, oh, crash, and I saw a prop go. So that's the problem with the non-ducted flyers. Oh, we're behind that couch and everything. So let's grab it. The non-ducted guys, you will lose a few props if you crash. So let's get that guy back on there. Should just pop right back on. But once they come off like this, they do tend to wanna not stay on. So let's see, let's hand launch. Good to go. Don't hit the ceiling. You don't want to get stuck up in the ceiling there. So I'm crashing a lot in these videos lately. And you guys apparently prefer my commentary in these videos. So if you remember, I was infatuated with the candy apple red color of this, and some of you are going to debate me on whether it's actually candy apple red. Kind of reminds me of those Mazda CX-5s. Is it CX-5? I believe that's the name of the car. They got that, you know, metallic red color, and I kind of want one, I'm not gonna lie. I shoot commercials for one of the Mazda dealerships in the area, and he's talking to the manager about it, and he says he's had a hard time keeping the reds in stock. So do we have LVC here? I think we do. So there's our LVC. So yeah, quick flights with these nanos, but they're fun. And when the weather's adverse outside, you get these or you get a whoop. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna lead you out with my music. Hopefully we don't fall out of the sky first. And check out my next video. Thanks for watching.